to Luvlines.
Welcome to Luvlines. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Live streaming from Caloocan City, Philippines. This is Luvlines. Signing on. Ayan. As usual. Palabas muna ako ng... palabas. Screen sharing muna tayo. Okay. Wow. Videos. Hindi pala ako nakapag ng mga yung mga kahapon. Let me do this first. Okay. I-on ko yung monetization nitong mga ito. So everything dito muna tayo. Monetization on. Ayan. Check. So this is how you do in bulk. Bultuhan na pag-edit. Alright. Bultuhan na pag-edit. Pindutin ang edit. And monetization. And then on. And then, asa na yan? On. Tapos, ayan, naka-on yung monetization. Na-check ko na yung lahat naka-off yung monetization. And then, update. Ito. Update. We're gonna update the videos na nilagyan natin ng check. And it's already, ayan. Are you sure? So, I understand. You're about to update the selected videos. This update is, ano daw yun? Cannot be stopped once it has started. I understand the implications. And then, lagyan na your update videos. So, that's how you do it. Ayun, nag-update. May natira pang isa. Ayan, it's updating na. So, updating according here. It takes a bit. Updating videos and then there already. Ayan, naka-on na yung monetization nilang lahat. Pero naka-unlisted pa tong mga to kasi edit ko pa yung mga titles. Okay? So, that's how you do it. And let's go to the live stream. Editing tayo ng live stream. Pindutin iyan. At iyan na pencil. Hi, Tony. Kita live stream. Welcome to the live stream. Hi, everyone. Sabi ni Tony. Adon. Nakamonitor ako. So, I'll be editing this one. Monetization. And I'm gonna let YouTube insert mid-rolls for me. And then it's balanced. Tony, salamat po. And of course, don't forget to save every change that you make. Okay, so, punta na tayo sa this one. Customization of the live stream. Participant mode, I'm gonna make it subscriber mode, subscribers only. Those that can send messages. Pagkatapos, any duration dapat. And then, always hit that save button. Tapos, ayan na. Na-save na. Alright. And, I'm gonna check the studio control room. So, that's how you do it. So, balik ako sa studio. Pindutin ang description na nakasulat doon. And then this one, papunta sa control room. Okay, so this is the control room. Studio live control room. 11 ang nandyan. Shout out sa inyo na mga nandyan. Okay, so before anything else, shout out Tony Skito live streams and everyone. So, I'll be making a highlight of this one. Making a highlight video of what I did earlier. So, that icon, highlight. And then, taas natin yan. I'm gonna make a title. Unlisted muna. Okay. And, title natin. How to. Yan, how to. And then, okay, unlisted para pwedeng i-edit and then do something whatever. Pwedeng iklian, habaan, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung maano ko to o no, mahirap na, baka magkamali ako. Anyway, so ganyan na lang. And you can crop that on the studio later. And I'm gonna create the highlight already. Yan. It's creating na, ayan. Can you see? Ayan na. Updating how to. Ayan. Uploading how to pala. Shout out, there's Tony's Kita live stream. Nag-iisang Tony. Tony's Kita live stream. I'm gonna pin this one out. Ganyan, pindutin lang yan. And then, pin the message. Okay. Tapos, tap chat, live chat. Tada! Subscriber mode tayo kanina, and then ayan si Tony's Kita live stream. Shoutout sa 4 na nandyan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. 4 yung nakikita ko, di ba? 4. 15 views na. Okay, so we'll go to the pangalan nito. Punta na tayo sa game. Shoutout Tony's Kita live stream. Nakapin ka si Tony. Feel free to check each other. Close ko na to while it's uploading na. Bahala na siya dyan. Tayo ay maglaro ng Wordscapes. Brain workout tayo. Okay.